Hello everybody and welcome back. Today is Saturday, December 21st, 10:31 a.m. Is it even coming out? Yeah, Saturday. It's right there. Okay, here we are at Jim Gilliam Park. Looks like we had a freak snowstorm with hail bale. Hail bale? The hail bale? Let's go investigate. Okay, what do we see here? I'm telling you people, strange phenomenons are happening in my community. I see ice. That's a hail bale. Yep, I think it's snow. Let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow. Wow. So cool. Oh, looks like fun. Like, share, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one.